This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea at a hotel using an easy method. First, locate your room's electric kettle or coffee maker, which is usually found near the complimentary coffee supplies. Next, gather your preferred tea bags, sugar, and any milk or cream you desire. Finally, ensure your water source, typically the bathroom tap, is clean and accessible for filling your kettle. Now, let's boil the water safely. Fill your kettle with fresh, cold tap water, being careful not to overfill it. Leave approximately 1 inch of space from the top to prevent spills. Then, plug the kettle into an electrical outlet and press the power button. The kettle will typically switch off automatically once the water reaches a rolling boil, indicating it's ready for your tea. With your water boiled, it's time to steep your tea. Place 1 tea bag into your clean hotel mug. Carefully pour the freshly boiled hot water over the tea bag, ensuring it is fully submerged. Allow the tea to steep for 2 to 5 minutes, a shorter time for lighter teas and a longer time for stronger brews, depending on your personal preference. Finally, customize your perfect cup of tea. Gently remove the tea bag from your mug once it is steeped to your liking. Now, add any sugar, honey, or milk to taste, stirring gently until fully dissolved. Take a moment to savor your warm, comforting, and freshly brewed hotel tea, a simple pleasure made easy in your room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.